is a distributor supposed to create a USMCA certificate of origin if only the importer, exporter, or producer can certify?
Will you say that question again, Kim?
How is a distributor going to create this USMCA certificate of origin if only importers, exporters, producers can certify?
You know, I think that's really where we start to get into this is you as a distributor, do you know the answer to that question? And I think that's really what this is coming down to. And if you don't know, don't certify. And your salespeople will be running around, jumping up and down, saying, if we don't certify this, we're not going to get the sale. And there's all sorts of stuff. At the end of the day, you know, we had a question come in from a good client and a good friend. And, you know, he really nailed it on the head is whoever's signing this form and really certifying this needs to have access to the books and records which can support the claim. In other words, if you don't have access to the materials costs and purchasing documents, don't sign the form. So that's really what this is all about. That's really, so as a distributor, you don't have any true knowledge of what's going on from that level. Now you may have another certificate provided, you know, you can ask them to fill it out to not provide some of that information as far as keeping some of those items blank from a exporter scenario. And even as a certifier, you can still, as a distributor, technically certify these goods. But do you really know the answer to that question? Now, if you've received from the actual producer a document that says, yes, these are good, and now you're turning around, but if you're the certifier, in some instances, are you the exporter in that case? Maybe, maybe not. There's a lot that really goes into this. And I think that in the past, and we've harped on this for a long time, is that you don't just issue a form to issue a form. And I think that's really the most important piece of this is make sure you understand what you're signing and what the consequences of signing it are, especially when it's wrong.